Number 1. How is the letter Q pronounced when spoken on the radio telephone? Answer: Quebec. Number 2. What is the purpose of VHF Channel 6? Answer: radio telephone primary internship, may be used in coordination of SAR ship-to-ship and ship-to aircraft. Number 3. One major advantage of the round-turn maneuver in a man-overboard situation is that it answer is the fastest method. Number 4. In a rescue operations, a helicopter uses a special device which patients, in most cases, are being disembarked. It can quickly and safely be hooked on and off. Answer: rescue litter. Number 5. In a distress situation, the two-tone alarm signal should be followed immediately by the answer: spoken words: Mayday, Mayday, Mayday. Number 6. What is the telegraphy and telephony urgency message like? Answer: XXX/pan. Number 7. How is the letter T pronounced when spoken over the radio telephone? Answer: Tango. Number 8. On-scene communication among the rescue ships and aircraft in the vicinity of distress should be under the control of whom? Answer: unseen commander. Number 9. What safety message prefix is used to include a ship has important message to transmit concerning safety of navigation or meteorological warning? Answer: 10 miles. Number 10. What should be used when language difficulties exist which cannot be resolved by the use of the IMO standard marine communication phrases? Answer: International Code of Signals. Number 11. When using the International Code of Signals to communicate, the end of a radio telephone transmission is indicated by the signal. Answer: air. Number 12. If you are forced to abandon ship in a life raft, your course of action should be to answer: remain in the immediate vicinity. Number 13. If for any reason it is necessary to abandon ship while far out at sea, it is important that the crew member should answer: remain together in the area because rescue operation. Answer: circle the vessel. Number 20. What is the search pattern system called using more than one ship? Answer: parallel system. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and click the notification bell, so you will be updated for our next upcoming video.